Welcome back to Sotiriadis Mining Works, where raw power meets precision engineering. Today, we're diving into one of the most impressive machines in modern mining, the Caterpillar 6215B hydraulic mining shovel. This beast isn't just another piece of heavy equipment. It's a productivity powerhouse designed to load a Cat 773G truck in just 2 passes. Get ready to explore the engineering brilliance that drives its performance, efficiency, and dominance on any mining site. The Cat 6015B is powered by a Cat C27A CERT engine, delivering over 800 horsepower, 600 kilobars of raw muscle. This engine ensures fast cycle times and excellent fuel efficiency, even in the toughest digging conditions. Its operating weight sits around 140 metric tons, giving it the stability and strength to handle massive payloads up to 15 tons per bucket. That means with just 2 passes. The 6015B can completely fill a Caterpillar 773G haul truck, one of the most common truck models in mid-sized mining operations. This 2-pass loading capability is a game changer. Traditional setups might take 3 or even 4 passes to fill a truck, increasing idle time and fuel burn. But with the 6015B, each truck spends less time waiting, maximizing productivity and reducing cost per ton. The Cat 6015B's hydraulic system features advanced flow management for faster, smoother movements. Operators benefit from responsive controls and superior digging power, ideal for tight benches or uneven terrain. Inside the cab, Cat's ergonomic design puts operator comfort first. Air suspension seats, wide visibility, and reduced vibration levels. Add in Cat's product link. Telematics and site managers get real-time data on fuel consumption, load counts, and maintenance schedules, transforming efficiency into measurable results. When it comes to maintenance, Caterpillar engineers thought ahead. Ground-level access points and centralized service stations make routine checks faster and safer. This means less downtime and more uptime where it matters most: on the job. The Cat 6015B comes with impressive figures. A Cat C27A CERT, engine producing 813 horsepower, 606 kilobars, an operating weight of around 140 tons, a bucket payload of 15 tons, and a maximum reach of nearly 13 meters. It fills Cat 773G trucks in just 2 passes, operates up to 10% more fuel efficient than similar shovels, and completes a loading cycle in roughly 30 seconds. Each of these features works together to create a perfect balance of power, precision, and productivity. From its rugged frame to its intelligent systems, the CAT 6015B is a symbol of what engineering excellence can achieve in modern mining. It's not just about moving Earth, it's about moving efficiency forward. This is the power of Caterpillar. This is Sotiriadis Mining Works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more behind-the-scenes looks at heavy machinery in action. Until next time, keep digging deeper.